Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Monica Nigam. So, today I have created this full glam look. You also call it mauve white look, and it's a quite trending on TikTok and other platform these days. Let's check it out how I have created this. First, I will clean my face with micellar water from Androlysis. You should always clean your face before applying makeup. Next time using prep and prime from MAC, always remember before using any bottle, make sure to shake it well so that all the particles activate. After that, you can apply it. I am drying it with the help of fan. Next, I am going to apply moisturizer from Embryologist with the help of stripling brush. This is stripling brush from Nykaa. Next, I'm using under eye cream. I always apply under eye cream. This is from Cosrx. It is a Korean brand. Today, I will use two primer. First is from Benefit because I have a large pores on my cheeks. And for the rest of the area, I will use Smashbox primer. After applying the primer, I leave it my face as it is for 5 to 10 minutes at least. Next, I'm using a mist from CS Essential Glow and Fix. Then I'll dry it with the help of fan. Now that our face is well prepared for makeup. For first step, I'll do is color correcting. For color correcting, I'm using Forever 52 palette. As you can see, I have some discoloration. I'll use only orange shade under my eyes, around my mouth, my cheek. This is Damn Beauty Blender. I'm going to blend this with light hands. Next, I'm going to take a concealer from Forever 52 palette. So I'm applying this concealer with the help of brush. Next, I'm going to blend this with Beauty Blender, Damn Beauty Blender, and my pressure will be very soft. Now I'm going to take foundation from NARS in the shade Punjab. I'm taking only 2 to 3 pumps and I'm going to apply this with the help of spatula. Next, I'm going to blend it out even so gently. For contouring, I'm gonna use Forever 52 palette. The darker shade I will use and I'll apply on my cheek and forehead, my jawline, neck area, nose, lip area. Now I'm going to blend it out very gently without moving the product a lot. For blush, I am using Rare Beauty blush in the shade Grace. And for concealer, I am using today Tarte Beauty in the shade Sand, fair to medium. And I am applying under my eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, cupid, chin area, below cheekbone. Always blend with very light hand. Remember this. Yeah, I'm blending this very light hand. Now we are done with liquid part like blush, foundation, everything. So I'll just dry it with the help of fan and then I'll apply mist and again I will dry it with the pen. After that I'll clean my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with brow gel from Morphe. I'm going to set my under eyes from Huda Beauty. I'll take my powder puff and completely coat it with the powder. Now you're gonna take the puff and press it into your hand. After that, I'll use Beauty Blender to blend my one under eye. You just heard me, one under eye. Once you're happy with the blending, without looking down, I'm going to take my powder puff and set it right away, like this. For the rest of my face, I'm taking another setting powder from Laura Mercier. Now I am using a P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I have taken a very little bit. Then I'm going to just do a very light layer on the arch of my eyebrow and a very thin layer on my eyelids with the help of eyeshadow application brush. This is concealer brush. I'm going to blend it out even so gently without moving the product a lot, like this. For my eyeshadow, I'm using two palettes. One is from Jaclyn Hill by Morphe and other is I will use Huda Beauty. For Morphe palette, I'm gonna take brown shade and I'm using the eyeshadow brush from PAC 204. This is the brown shade which is very nice, almost light warm brown shade. I'm going to blend this on my crease area. I have to say this blending is so beautiful, like these no harsh edges, no chunkiness like other mattes can do. But this is not, seriously, this is so great. So next I'm going to take the darker shade brown. It's not too dark but dark brown, which is perfect to deeper the crease and add some more definition to the eyes. Next I'm going to the darkest brown. Yes, darkest brown, you heard me. And I'm using a Sigma brush E55. I just place the darkest brown eyeshadow on my outer corner as well as inner corner. And then after that I will take light brown, which I have used the first one, and then place that lighter brown on the lid area, center of my lid. For pigment, I will use Huda Beauty palette. I have taken very silverish pigment and I just place it on the lid area, center of the lid, and then I'll just blend it very nicely. Now I apply black kajal. I'm using kajal from Maybelline. Take a thin brush and take brown color. Now just smudge your kajal out using brown color like this. Next I'm going to take very light shimmer and I'll apply this on my brow bone area with the help of brush. Next, I'm going to take false eyelashes from Beautylicious, and I'm gonna take lash glue from Pack. Before applying false eyelashes, always curl your original lashes. Now I'm done. Now next I'm using mascara from Benefit. Next I'm using Plum Kajal and I'll apply this on my waterline, and then I'll take a brown color eyeshadow from Morphe palette. Yes, this is the lightest brown color, and then I smudge it out with brown. For powder contouring, I'm using Revolution Contour, and for blush, I'm gonna use NARS in the shade Orgasm blush. I'm using a brown shade lip pencil from Swiss Beauty, and then I'm gonna apply lipstick. I'm using Sephora lipstick in the shade Nutcracker. I'll apply this, and then I'll apply another lipstick that is from MAC. I'll apply on top of it. Now makeup is done. Our last step is makeup spray. So I'm using today Urban Decay makeup setting spray. Now we are done. I hope you liked this video. I hope you have learned something. If you have learned something, so please subscribe my channel and please showing your love and supporting me. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.